Let's solve this problem. Let's assign numbers to the congruent angles. Since angle 1 and 2 are congruent, AD is parallel to BC. Since angles 2 and 3 are congruent, AB is parallel to EF. Let's draw the segment CH, which is parallel to AB. ABCH is a parallelogram. AB is equal to CH and equals to 10. Since CH is parallel to AB and AB is parallel to EF, CH is parallel to EF. EF is the mid-segment of the triangle CHD because CH is parallel to EF and CE is equal to DE. The triangle mid-segment connects the midpoints of two sides of a triangle, is parallel to the third side of a triangle, and is half of the length of the third side. Therefore, EF is equal to half of CH. EF is equal to 5. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.